Okay, today I'm going to teach you a trick. It's really simple. It's all you need to do is just need fast hands. Okay, now watch. I'll show you this. See, King of Hearts. King of Hearts. I'll do it one more time. Ace of Clubs. Ace of Clubs. Okay. In order to do this trick, you need just deck of cards. First of all, you take the whole trick is to get the shuffle down. What you do is you look at the bottom card, you take it, and then you go like that. So 5 is hearts, sorry. Now look, 5 hearts is now on the top of the deck. Now from that point, you take 2 fingers, put them right there, your thumb at the back, just like that. Take your thumb here, 2 fingers there, and take these fingers and push them down really hard. So then when you do it, then you should do it slow. You go like this, and you move your thumb and pull out to the side like that, and then it should be the 5 of hearts, as I mentioned. So if you do it, I'll do it sort of slow. Okay, 6 of spades. Okay. Now that trick is actually a fairly easy trick. And now in order to get it down fast, just like this, you just practice and practice and practice. And you need a sort of like loose deck in order to do it. Like you can't have like a brand new deck, or it's actually very hard to do it. So thanks for watching. See ya.